Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
All right, let me get this thing off.
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield Penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park. But rest assured, my Crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, "Go!" Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
This thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety video.
Test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio-visual club. Oh.
Please keep your hands inside the vehicle at all times. Touching the doors or hood will cause your vehicle to stop.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Ooh, a roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor.
My next thing did. So anyway, where do you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun.
They said to stay safe.
Oh, that's a load of garbage. I want to just go out. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school. Save me, terrorist.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
You're all gonna die. The kiddie ride. Oh, at least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up. Say we.
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It's just gets better and better.
Now, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, beer!
Henry, it's a temptation.
When did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Always convenient will!
By the way, now I'm very wet! Hey, stay away from the ramp! Okay, this is no longer fun!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
So fast!
Shots are hard, tourist.
Do not fear, a nerd is here.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Careful, the baby is wet and presume drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Edge! Destroy something!
Get away from my baby!
Maggie, that's not a pacifier!
Get those tourists out of your mouth! You don't know where they've been!
Home sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping like that!
That's magnetic gravity!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay, smile.
So 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again.
Well, that's all right. Hey, what does this do?